wahia bohia edo we na wa o do e obi obaro no kisi le se no guy o da yo ba ai manda bien oba do yo baro no do veve na dai me we hero so we no so we o do ve wahia bohia we ka tesi o when wire really wa hunfwa ma ya we ma we do go buda ko we ba ma ya du no ave po saba we ma we se de la sa no gi ma we se na so kuno de ma we pon yo so na ma ye birane la kuno de ma we re ma yi wi si e mi no ma we una ma we avio yo wa a mugo o wayo eloko no na ro avio yo wa so we put my na ipe no imare eri mare jimani mare se awe mare do ba ya jimani awe mi na awe ti mare se wana ko ro no na ka yo mo ma ke se wana sa ba yo we na imare do ko ti mare yo mo mo amonio ri mani ma mani mai ri sa ba la we do no we ke ti ma ke mana no ri ma wan mana no ke mana no ke osima wa mana no ri ma sawa di bawah oba to pe so we wa ya ne evan wa ri ege lo wa anyo ya ma ri ta ege lo ma oba to pe
round of applause for Mr. Chairman. Round of applause for me, please. Round of applause. Agenda, which is the opening address and a brief history of the Edo by Mr. President. A round of applause as Mr. President stands up to give us a brief history about this association. Thank you. We are very sorry for starting off late. You have to bear with us. We intend to correct this in subsequent occasion. So you are welcome. Chairman of this occasion, sir. Members of the high table. Executive member of Edo and Delta Association. Invited guests. The President of Nigeria Association, dear President. The President of Igbo Association present here. The President of Yoruba Association here present. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure and honor to welcome you all to this great occasion to mark our cultural week. This is the third time that the Edo State Association of Navarra is celebrating such an event, and hopefully it will not be the last. This association is made up of people from the former Bende State, and it's predominantly dominated by the Edo people, whose history can be traced back to the ancient Benin Kingdom or Empire. The present Edo State is made up of 17 local governments, and the present Delta State is made up of 25 local governments. Most of us from Edo and Delta have been brothers from time, when the region was split in 1963 from the western region, we were known as Midwestern region, which was later converted into Midwestern state. But as events developed, because our leaders want to bring development closer to the individuals in the various communities, the name was changed in 1976 to Bende State, which was subsequently split into Edo and Delta. And we still live as brothers and sisters today, because the history of the former Bende State is a woven history where we live like one family and we do things the same way. And that is why it is possible for us to live together here and be in one association. I want to thank every member of this association, those are counterparts from the Delta, for all their cooperation and understanding, and those of us from Edo, because we have been very wonderful. The Edos have been known to be well-traveled people in Nigeria. I'm sure that the Edo history is as popular as the Coca-Cola, because there is no way you will go to in this world that there is no Coca-Cola. So we can be said to that every nook and corner of the world, you will find Edo Idijin. And alongside, there are always the Delta counterparts too, because they like traveling, they want to change their ways of life, and they want to improve other people's lives too. That is why we all travel. Our cultural background are almost the same. The Igwe Festival is a popular festival celebrated all over the world, even in America, in Europe here. So many communities, so many Edo communities celebrate the Igwe Festival. And we hope to, here in Navarra too, one of these days celebrate the Igwe Festival. The former Bende State traditional head is the Oba of Benin, Ukwa Polopolo by Rediawa. Despite the fact that the state has been split into two, there is still respect, great respect from our Delta counterpart for the Omonomba Ledo, because the Benin monarch is the oldest single monarch in the whole world, and we have a lot of historic things that we see in that that we see in the state. Delta State is known for being an oil-rich region alongside the Edo too. That's why the two states are interwoven and will benefit seriously from the oil in the country. I want to say that we should be proud of being from this region, because I will always say that we are the most intelligent of all Nigerians. Please clap for yourself, those from this state. I don't want to take much of your time. I want to say welcome again and enjoy yourself, and God bless you.
Please, a hand of applause for Mr. President again for a brief history about the association. Thank you very much, Mr. President. So the next on our agenda, and I'm going to move very quickly to attend to the children. Is our children ready? The next is the children competition. Are the children ready?
Stand beside you through Itu ya